I didn't realize that in order to get the human lander to the moon, we have to launch a bunch of additional rockets to tank up in low Earth orbit. I didn't know that. And I'm like, well, how many rockets do we have to do that with? And they're like, 6. And then I start, because I know people, I start calling people. I was like, dude, really, how many rockets is it? They're like, well, boil off. And okay, so I was like, some people were like, well, it's looking like 8. I was like, 8 rockets? We have to fire 8 rockets to fire 1 rocket to the moon? And then they're like, I mean, that's what they're saying, but it's probably more like 12. Really? And then I was like, I'm an engineer. I know how to do this stuff. So I started to account for like nominal schedule slip and boil off. And this is how many rockets it's going to take to fuel up that thing to get it to the moon. I've done the math. If you had any questions. So the question is this smart? And now's the time where people are scared to talk again. Not efficient. It's not efficient. So in the bottom right, I've drawn a picture. I've picked a picture from the We Are Going video. That's how many rockets went to the moon and landed for Apollo, for all of Apollo. And I'll take you back to this chart. Okay, I've said enough.
Here's the deal. People didn't know the answer to this question. Shortly after delivering this talk, we saw an answer to this question. This article came out. Someone at NASA said it's going to take at least 15. So we at least have a baseline now. We have a floor. It could be more than that. It's at least 15. We still don't know the answer to how many rockets it's going to take to fuel that thing up. And I would submit to you that that's a problem.
Then I looked at Artemis 3. To be clear, this is after Artemis 2, which is about to happen. So on Artemis 3, in order for this to work, like it starts up at the beginning, anyway, we've never done cryogenic refueling in orbit. Humans have not done that. Am I wrong about that? Somebody correct me. Am I wrong about that? Okay, let that sink in. Humans have never done cryogenic refueling in orbit up to this point right now. So make all the charts you want, but we need to take some steps.
Right now, we are 2 years out from this launch, and we don't know the number of rockets. I don't think that means we're going to launch this thing in 2 years. I'm just saying it. That's where I'm at as an engineer. It's time to be honest.